Okay, we have a great arm one for you. So what Tara's going to do is she's going to go through the arm workout. And again, I'll write it down. She's going to give a sample, but it'll all be written down, okay? Because you don't need to, she can't do all these workouts all on the same day. She'd die again. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab 8s. We have 8s and we have 12s. If you have heavier, that's even better. 8, 12, 15, 5, whatever it is. And then work from there, okay? So we're going to work bicep first. Tara's going to do a set. What I want you to do, Tara, is when you do a normal, regular curl, your elbows are in. Okay, this is important. We don't want this. Okay, this is a half step. It's really not that good for your bicep. You want to bring your bicep out. You want to work different angles. This will actually work your whole bicep because it's going to come up to the shoulder. Okay, so she's not going to come out like this. She's going to go straight up to the shoulder. Her knees are out, bent, and go. So she's going to do 10 here. 10 regular curls. Yep. So we're going to do 30 reps, okay? Okay, go like this, yep. Squeeze on the top, down a little slower. Okay, resist, yep. But you're doing good. How many is that?
9.
Okay, good. Now, she's going to go to a hammer curl. Feet together, okay? Just like you're skiing a little bit, straight up and down. To the shoulder, okay? Not out, to the shoulder. Some people do that to work different angles. Really, it's best to go to the shoulder. I'll show you. We're going to do a V curl after, okay? So that's almost 10?
Yep, 8.
So you might have to just do 5, so it might be 10, 5, 5. On the V curl, you'll see what I'm talking about. So you do 10 here, 5 here, and then we're going to go like this. We're going to go not at one at a time, we're going to go same time. So we're going to V curl like that, okay? See our elbows are out? And she's going to go V curl. That's going to work the inside of the bicep. Good. All right. Good. So, yep. So you can do one at a time too if it's too much, or if you have a neck issue. Okay. Because if you have a neck issue, one at a time relieves your neck. Okay. So if you do 2, anything 2, a double unilateral, actually bilateral will straighten your neck. Okay. Good. So she can go like this and pulse on the top. So you can do small ones. Okay, like that. All right. To mix it up, you can go like this, all the way down. Yep, do halves. All right. So I just want to show you little things that you can do to add if you don't have a lot of weight. You also can do these after. So you go heavy with 15s, all the way up, all the way down. Then you go to 8s, and then as you fatigue, you start doing small ones. Okay. So if you want to do reps one day. All right. So I just want to show you little tips. All right. So that's good. We got the bicep curl right there, and the dumbbells, so we're going to do tricep, overhead tricep. Now, face me. She's going to keep her elbows in. She's going to hold the weight nice and light. So straight up and down. Good. There you go. So that's a 12. You can do 15 to 20. So you might just do 5. You might do 10, almost a failure. And she's going to grab the slam ball here. Good. And do the same thing. We'd love to do this almost to fatigue, okay? So you're going to do this until fatigue. And again, this is just a sample, so I'm just going to let her do 5. Again, her elbows are backing in as best she can. Good? Feel that, right? Now, we're going to do ball slam, ready? Again, the ball slam, you know she's working around, so she's going to bring it behind, almost touch your neck, there you go. And now she has a tricep, as you see. Now she's working a tricep. She's going to work her stomach as she leans over. She's going to work her legs because she's squatting. So that's what I'm talking about. And she's going to work cardio if she goes faster, okay? So the faster you go, the harder you go, the more cardio you get in, and the more calories you burn. And, yep. Okay, good. Now, she's going to go straight down and do tricep push-up for 5, okay? So we're on a roll today. She's on doing great. So 1, 2, now, stay right there. I want you to go forward more. We're going to go to the chest, okay? So down and up. All the way to chest, right? No. Yep, 1, just like that. Now, if you can't do that, okay, you can go down to the ground and flat, go flat, all the way flat. Stay right there, yep, and go up, go. That's 1 unit, good. Down slow, up, yep, try to go down slow. Now, if you can't go down slow as 1 unit, drop your knees, easy, and then go down slow, yep, and now get off your knees, get on your feet, and go up. Okay, so now, that's what you can do if you can't do them all on your feet and your hands, all right? And notice how she's like one long line, okay? And she goes down as one unit. Now, come on up. Good. So that's what you're going to do at least 3 to 5 times, that whole set right there, those two together, okay? And then the second one what we're going to do is we're going to grab heavy weight, and she's going to go 3, so ready, face me, yep, feet out, and she's going to go 3 to 5. So this isn't heavy for her, but just pretend it is. Now, she would almost want to struggle at the end, so she'd want to, you know, so not, she can cheat a little bit, don't worry about it at the end, you can cheat, this is the heaviest set, okay? The other one was kind of a warm-up. This you don't need more than 3 to 5 because she's already done all the bicep. Good, put that down. She's gonna do a burnout, so she's gonna step on that, okay? Yep, and then curl as fast as you can. So then you're gonna go 30 seconds right here, okay? Again, this, honestly, this will tone the arms better than doing a lot of the stuff you see at the gym, okay? Good. She's feeling it, right? So now she can go out like this, feet out, and now she can work that angle like that, okay? So now she's working different angles, okay? Yeah, until she burns out. Good. Excellent. Okay, now, that's the bicep one again, okay? So she's gonna go low to high plank, right here, okay, tricep.
Tricep?
Low to high plank, yep. So ready, gonna go low. So notice how she's coming off the ground every time, staying on the same side. Once you go on the other side so they can see. So she goes down and up, down and up, down and up. Good, down and up. So she's gonna do 5 to 10 on each side. Again, this is tough. Okay? Now, stay right there. As she gets fatigued after doing 5 or 10, she's gonna Superman, so she doesn't do this much. So ready, you're gonna lift this arm and this leg at the same time, out, straight out, and this up. 1, good, switch, yep. Good, you wanna hold as much as you can, push on that tricep. Again, your triceps will be burning because you're stabilizing and trying to keep the hips level, okay? Again, it's tough, see? But that's okay, because that's gonna work your core and everything else. And good. You don't need a lot of those, as you can see, okay? Right?
Yeah.
Okay, now, she's gonna do tricep bench. So come on up and face this way. Yep. You know what, I'm gonna move this like this so you can see, okay? And face that way, all right?
Yep.
Now, the most important thing is she's gonna sit on her hands, put your hands under you. These are real close. Her legs are bent, they're not straight out, because that puts more pressure on here. I don't know who came up with the other one, but it's wrong, I gotta tell you. This is better, and it actually works your triceps more if you do it my way, okay? So, take your butt off, okay? Go straight down and up. You don't need to do much more than that. There you go, good. Excellent. She'll feel it after about 20 to 30 of these. Again, you can put a weight on your thighs. You can lift one leg and keep it up there and do 10, and then the other leg, so go ahead and show that with one leg up. Good. Notice how the toes towards her. Bring it up a little higher if you can. Good. Excellent. You can feel that, right?
Yeah.
Then do 4 on the other side, level out. We have 5 on the other side. Good. Yeah. And good. Okay, we're gonna finish. Come on up. Now she's gonna go down. She's gonna do a small little series here. So ready? You're gonna do windshield wiper. Okay, just 5. So she's gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 each side. Good. Now mountain climber. Now my mountain climber, make sure both feet hit. I don't want that front foot up in the air. Show how not to do it. Throw it up. Yeah, we don't want that. That's really working your hip flexor. We want to really push into the ground. I want you thumping. 1. Yep. 2. Like that. Okay? So each side is 1. So yep. Do 5 all sides. Now, ready? Jack your feet in and out. Ready? Feet together. So we're going to jack them in and out. Ready? So you want to lean forward over those arms. Okay? Again, we're working the arms, but we're going to do the small little cardio. Ready? Go. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on up. You're going to run high knee for 10. Go. 1, 2, 3. Each side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's the workout. Your arm workout will be written down, and you'll see how to do it. Try it out, and let us know. Thanks.